Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some exciting news from OnePlus. The OnePlus 13s is on its way and is packed with features that redefine mid-range expectations. Let's dive right in. OnePlus has introduced Project Starite, bringing a lifetime display green line warranty for every OnePlus phone, including the 13s. If you face green line issues, OnePlus has you covered for life. No more worries about display problems. The OnePlus 13s is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the same as the OnePlus 13. Expect smooth multitasking and fast performance all in a premium mid-range package. It features a 6.3-inch AMOLED display, compact yet immersive. Plus, there's a customizable Plus key for quick app launches, adding convenience to your daily use. On Geekbench, the 13s scored 25,862 in single-core and 8,528 in multi-core. It'll run Android 15 with. So, what do you think about the OnePlus 13s? Could it shake up the mid-range segment? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next one.